Hello and welcome to this training session on using the Smoothwell Radar portal. In this section we're going to cover creating reports from the data collected to view live in the portal. To create a new report, first select the Report top menu option. Select New to display the new report form. There are 16 different report types available, and each of these can be customized with different criteria. This example will create a report of captures from a specific theme during the last 7 days. Select words and phrases to create this report. As different criteria is selected, the report view updates accordingly. The available criteria will change depending on the report type selected. Select the type of objects on which to base this report. The choice of objects will vary depending on the report selected. For this report, the default objects are users, but user groups, machines, machine groups and words and phrases can also be selected. Select the theme of data from which to create this report, or leave as overall to base the report on all themes. Select grades with unactioned to show details of currently unactioned captures in the report. Select if this report should be based on keyboard, desktop or both types of capture. Select Chart Top Of to display a chart of the top 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 results of the report. Give the report a name and choose Save to store in the report list. Note the list of reports is specific to each console user. The next example report shows captures of a specific word or phrase in one of the themes. Note that much of the criteria used is the same, except for an entry for the word or phrase to use in the report. Give the report a name and choose Save to store in the report list. The final report we'll create shows all the captures for a specific user over the time period. Again, much of the criteria used is the same, except for an entry for the username for whom the report is to be based. Start typing characters of the username and then select it from the list. Give the report a name and choose Save to store in the report list. In the next section, we'll see how a site administrator user can turn these reports into schedule reports to be sent to recipients at regular intervals. Thank you for watching this video.